Hello class 1. How are you children? We are meeting after a long time. Children, I hope you have done well in your half yearly exam. And let us get ready for the next unit test, that is unit test 2, isn't it? So now I will take your English literature class. This is your English literature book. Take out your English literature book, and today we will do one poem. The name of the poem is Moon and the Stars. Moon and the Stars. Right. So open your book at page number 7171. Page number 7171. And the name of the poem is Moon and Stars. Okay, are you all ready? Take a pencil in your hand. Let us recite the poem. Here we can see on this page, we can see a picture. We can see a child, and the child is looking through his window, isn't it? And it is night, isn't it? Because we can see stars and moon in the sky. So children, you all love to see moon and stars in the sky during the night, isn't it? Can you see moon or stars at daytime? No, we cannot see. We can see sun at daytime, isn't it? And we see moon and stars at night, and you feel very happy to see this. Some of us really we enjoy looking at the stars at night, isn't it? So it's all about a boy who is looking through the window at night, looking at the sky, and where he can see moon and stars, and he is enjoying before he goes to bed. Okay, let us read a poem. It's about a child who sees moon and stars every night from his window. Moon and stars, shining up on high. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. Moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. When I wake at the break of day, all of you are gone. This is the poem. Read once again. Moon and stars, shining up on high. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. Moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. When I wake at the break of day, all of you are gone. Now, here we are we'll read about a child who has the habit of looking at the stars and moon before he goes to bed every night, okay, through his window. Now he is asking, the one question is coming in his mind, that moon and stars, we can see you shining up high when I go to bed. And children, when do we go to bed? We go to bed at night, isn't it? So when I go to bed at night, I can see you. Okay, now one question comes in mind. Moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. Tell me, moon and star, what's wrong? Why can't I see you at the break of the day? Break of the day means what? Morning. Okay, early morning, break of the day means early morning. Now a question comes to the mind of the child, that why can't he see moon and stars at the break of the day, means in the early morning or during the daytime. Why can't he see the moon and the stars? Where you all are, means he is asking question. A question comes to his mind, why can't he see the moon and star? Because he loves to see the moon and stars at night, but during the daytime, when he wakes up in the morning, he cannot see the moon and the star. Instead of this, what do we see? Instead of moon and the stars, we see the sun. Now he is asking, what is wrong with you? Why can't I see you during the daytime? So this is the a poem. Okay, so the child is here in this poem, the child is anxious to know this. Okay, children. So you will learn the poem. The poem has got 2 stanzas and 8 lines. Okay, it has got 8 lines. So you learn the poem with all the punctuation marks correctly, because it is very important to put the punctuation marks in a poem. Okay, so learn the poem, and your homework is you have to write the poem in the CW copy, and see at the bottom of this page you can see the word meanings. Break of day. What is the meaning of break of day? It is early morning. So you write the word meaning, then you will write the poem. Those who can draw well, you can draw this picture also. Okay, you can draw this picture. Those who can draw well, you can draw this picture, and then you can write the poem neatly in the CW copy, and you will send it for correction also. Okay,
Babu.
thank you. Have a nice day.
Hey Babu.